Berjalajit.
Today we are going to review a restaurant that many of you make already now. Warung Steak.
The restaurant we are going to about today is Warung Steak.
About this place because a lot of people say the food is delicious and affordable, and the menu is good. Varied on other signature item is the crispy breaded steak.
Itself is amazing, neat, organic, and very clean,
Making it a perfect spot to enjoy a meal with friends or family because it has a very comfortable atmosphere. The food looks delicious and the aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. Steak is served on a hot sizzling plate and the meat is juicy and
the steak is served on a hot sizzling plate, and the meat is juicy and tender.
The price is also very affordable, and what makes the even better is the sensation of enjoying hotel-style steak at a very affordable price.
You have to try it yourself because it's definitely worth it.
Sure, it is a great place to enjoy delicious